Dear students, now we are going to discuss about hexadecimal to decimal conversion and its related problems.
Hexadecimal number is converted into its equivalent decimal number by multiplying each digit by its weight. So weight is also known as place value. This is the general representation of hexadecimal number. H1, H2, H3, H4. This is the decimal point. After this decimal point, H minus 1, H minus 2, H minus 3. So the place value for this H1 is 16 power 0. 16 power 0 is nothing but 1. Anything power 0 is 1. The place value for the first digit is 1. H2, the second digit is 16 power 1 is nothing but 16. Third digit is 16 squared. Fourth one is 16 cube. Okay, it is going on further. After this decimal point, the place value is 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2, 16 power minus 3. The 16 power minus 1 can also be written as 1 by 16, 1 by 16 squared, 1 by 16 cube. It is going on. So let's solve some problems to understand the hexadecimal to decimal conversion. The first problem is to convert the given hexadecimal to its equivalent decimal number. The hexadecimal number is represented as the base value 16. CD42. In the solution part, we have to write down the given hexadecimal number as such CD42. And then we have to write down its place value or its weight. So 2 is nothing but 16 power 0. That first digit place value is 16 power 0. It is equal to 1. Next one is 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3. After that, we have to multiply each digit with its weight. So C into 16 power 3, D into 16 power 2, 4 into 16 plus 2. Here in hexadecimal, C is equal to 12. So in the next step, we have to write down 12 into 4096. That is the value of 16 power 3 plus D is equal to 13. 13 into 256. That is the value of 16 power 2 plus 64 plus 2. After the multiplication, we have to add all the resultant values to get the decimal equivalent. So finally, we have obtained the decimal equivalent for the given hexadecimal value. The next problem is to convert the given hexadecimal number into decimal equivalent. So in the solution part, we have to write down the given hexadecimal value as such 10.A6. So next we have to mention its place value 16 power 0, 16 power 1. Here 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2. So in the next step, we are going to multiply each digit with its weight. So 1 into 16 plus 0. Then the decimal point. After that, we are having A by 16 plus 6 by 16 squared. So here 1 into 16 is 16. Decimal point of A is nothing but 10. Correct. In hexadecimal, A represents 10. So 10 divided by 16 plus 6 divided by 256. After that, we can obtain the value as 16.6484. Finally, we can obtain the equivalent decimal value for the given hexadecimal number. So in the answer, 10.A6 of hexadecimal is equivalent to 16.6484. Here H represents hexadecimal, that can also be represented as 16. 16 is the base value. So here D represents the decimal value. The decimal can also be represented as its base value as 10.